Hello and welcome to Hearing Healthcare Centre. Today we're going to be showing you how to insert an in-the-ear hearing aid, otherwise known as an ITE. In terms of identifying an ITE, an in-the-ear hearing aid, as the name suggests, is designed to sit inside the ear, both the canal and the bowl of the ear. These hearing aids are often used for moderate to severe hearing loss and for people who want an in-the-ear device but have reduced dexterity. In terms of inserting, techniques can vary. Our favoured method of inserting an ITE hearing aid is as follows. A little tip: use your right hand to insert your right hearing aid and vice versa. So to start off with, hold the back edge of the hearing aid between your thumb and forefinger. Ensure the hearing aid is held with the helix portion at the top. Without twisting or rotating your wrist, bring the hearing aid up beside your ear. Then insert the tip into your ear canal. Rotate the hearing aid slightly backwards, then rock forwards to insert. Ensure the top of the ear mold goes under the fold of skin at the top of your ear, otherwise known as the helix. Finally, push the hearing aid down your ear canal with your index finger. Once you've done that, your ITE should be sitting quite snug in your ear, and that's just about all there is to it. Once again, thank you very much for watching, and for more helpful audiological content, don't forget to subscribe. Goodbye for now.